So hi guys, I will teach you the most easier way on how to download the music just for free with no installation of app and just by the using of website. First, you have to search the MP3 juices and may lalabas yan, and you just have to wait for loading siya, and pag may lumabas na, you just have to confirm that it's the legit website and madali lang naman siya mahanap. Then after that, you will have to input the music that you want to download in. For example, I want to download It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. Slow version, then eventually may lalabas yung madaming kinds of example. Then you just have to choose, then click the download. Then you just have to wait for a while. Then as you can see, there is a downloading file. You just have to click the details to check that if it's downloading, and you just have to wait until it's done. So that would be all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.